Okay, hello everybody. I'm here with another layout. I am doing a picture of Pat when he was just a kitten, and he is currently 3. And so this is the April hip kit, and this is anyway. So my background is here we go. That floral layer is mint, and then the banner, which is cut from Pink Paisley Pick Me Up 22, number 22. And then that Project Life card is from the Hip Kits Project Life add-on kits. Pass those. I don't get the add-on anymore because the cards accumulate for me. So I'm trying to use them up. And then cute, that word cute came from American Crafts Recollection Thickers. The die cut, DOBU, and then that lemon tag is Making Homes Flourish past kit. It's not from this April kit. I have those there's a floral die cut, and then the BU, those are Pink Paisley, those are BU, oh sorry, they're Pink Paisley Pick Me Up. And then I have those puffy stickers, which are from the Hip Kit Club Daydream. So the puppy stickers are, again, Hip Kit Club Daydream. So I'm going to adhere my layers. And I did add a sticker, a puppy sticker, from the Hip Kit Club Daydream on the Project Life card. I already had the florals, and so I added a bow, which is Making Homes Flourish past kit, like the tag, and the little phrase sticker. And so now to adhere all these little flowers together, and kind of try to cluster them and then glue them down as a cluster. Didn't quite go down like I originally had it, but doesn't always happen that way. And then that cute, again, is American Crafts Recollection Thickers. With some hearts. And then the title is Home Sweet Home, and the 2 words home are from past kit. It's American Crafts Let's Dance stickers, and then the sweet is Hip Kit Club exclusive alphabet stickers. Oh, and that home, sorry, the first home, that home is Hip Kit Club exclusive alphabet thickers as well. And then that pretty much completes the layout. I do some white ink splatters, and then that's pretty much it. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.